Let us look at the technique to multiply by 11. Let's say we have 423 times 11. Instead of doing the regular calculation, we are gonna do the simple trick. So first, we have to put the number 4 as the first number of the answer. The next step is that we will sum up each successive number of the multiplicand. So 4 plus 2 gives us 6, and 2 plus 3 gives us 5. And the last step is to put the last number of 3 on the right-hand number of the answer. Therefore, the answer will be 4,653. Now, how about if we have 619 times 11? So, as we said before, we have the first number of the multiplicand, which is 6, that we will have to put down as the left-hand number of the answer. Now, each successive number of the multiplicand is added to its neighbor to the left. Therefore, 6 plus 1 gives us 7. And now we have 1 plus 9 gives us 10. In this case, since we have two digits, the 0 comes up here, and the 1 goes up to 7, which gives us 8. And the last digit of the multiplicand, which is 9, will go down in here. Therefore, the result will be 6,809. Let's look at another example. Let's say we have 348 times 11. So we have to put down the 3, add up the two consecutive number. 3 plus 4 gives us 7, and 4 plus 8 gives us 12. So since we have two digits again, the 2 will go up here, and the 1 will be carried over to 7, which becomes 8. And the last number will be 8. Therefore, the result will be 3,828. Let's say we have 6,871 times 11. Take the time to solve this and come back to my video once you're done. Alright, so first step is to put the first digit as the first number for the result, which is 6. And the next step is to add up the two consecutive numbers. So 6 plus 8 gives us 14. Therefore, 14, 1 will be carried over to 6, which gives us 7. 8 plus 7 gives us 15. Therefore, 5 will come here, and the 1 will be carried over to 4, which gives us 5. And 7 plus 1 gives us 8. And therefore, the last digit of the answer will become 1. Therefore, the final result is 75,581. How about 4,921 times 11? Take some time to solve this and come back to my video once you're done. Now 4 will come up here. We'll add up the two consecutive number 4 plus 9, which gives us 13. Therefore, the 3 comes here, and the 1 will be carried over to number 4, which becomes 5. 9 plus 2 gives us 11. Therefore, 1 comes here, and the other one will be carried over to 3, which gives us 4. And 2 plus 1 gives us 3, and the last digit will become 1. Therefore, the final result will be 54,131. Let's try some more examples. Let's say we have 7,537 times 11. We'll be doing the same steps, therefore the first digit will become 7. We'll add up plus 5 to it, which gives us 12. And the 1 will be carried over to 7, which gives us 8. 5 plus 3 gives us 8. And 3 plus 7 gives us 10. Therefore the 0 comes here, and the 1 will be carried over to 8, which becomes 9. The last digit will become 7. Therefore the final result is 82,907. Let's try more examples. Let's say we have 2,696 times 11. Try to solve it and come back to this video. So 2 will come down here, plus 6 equals to 8. 6 plus 9 is 15, and the 1 carries over to 8, which becomes 9. 9 plus 6 gives us 15 again. 5 comes here, and 1 carries over to 5, which becomes 6. And the last digit will become 6. Therefore, the answer is 29,656. How about 5,459 times 11? Try to solve it and come back to this video. Same steps. 5 will come down here. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 4 plus 5 gives us 9 as well. 5 plus 9 gives us 14. And 1 will be carried over to 9, which becomes 10. And the 1 will be carried over to 9, which becomes 10, which is 0. And the 1 will be carried over to 5, which becomes 6. And therefore the last digit is 9. The final result is 60,049. Let's try 6,770. Alright, so as we said before, 6 comes down. 6 plus 7 becomes 13, 3. And the 1 will be carried over to 6, which becomes 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. And the 1 will be carried over to 3, which becomes 3 plus 1 equals 4. 7 plus 0 is equals to 7. And therefore the last digit becomes 0. Therefore the final result is 74,470. Let's try 1,593. Same thing, 1 goes down. 1 plus 5 gives us 6. 5 plus 9 gives us 14. And the 1 will be carried over to 6, which becomes 7. And 9 plus 3 is equals to 12. Therefore, the 1 will be carried over to 4, which gives us 5. And the 3 comes down. Therefore, the final result is 17,523. Next, we have 9,035. The first digit goes down, which is 9. 9 plus 0 gives us 9. 0 plus 3 gives us 3. And 3 plus 5 gives us 8. The final digit is 5. Therefore, the final answer is 99,385. So that's how you quickly multiply any number by 11.